Okay, let me take the cap off. Durr. Alright, I'm in the car now. Let's see what it sounds like with the windows up. Turn down this music. So she's like technically straight piped, I guess. Cause what I have now, I guess it's like a modified Speed Culture Studios catback exhaust. I got rid of the Borla and put in 2 vibrant resonators, 2 vibrant super quiet resonators to pretty much replace the Borla. And to be honest with you, she's I mean, she's loud because she's pretty much straight pipe, but at least the rasp is not there. She's a little bit, I guess this is something I have to get used to. Really not used to her being like this. Wow, she's actually quiet on the lower RPMs. Really, really quiet. I guess I'm more used to the Borla when it has that low, when you first install it, it has that really, really low RPM. I mean, not low RPM, low sound on the RPM. This is really aggressive. I wasn't expecting it to be this aggressive, but like I said, this is like a test. If anything else, I can always take it off and put something else on. But I'm not sure if I like the sound. Maybe it's something I have to get used to. I don't know. We'll see. It may have to grow on me. It may not. We'll see. We'll see. I'm more of a low tone type of person. I really don't like really loud and boisterous exhausts. But I can say this much, the Borla does tone down a lot of the notes that this doesn't. But this tones out a lot of notes that the Borla doesn't. So, I don't know. And the Borla kind of gives it, I guess gives it that deep sound. But I guess it's what you call a quote-unquote true dual, because like I said, it's, what do I have? I have a AAM competition test pipes down to a flex pipe to the vibrant super quiet resonator to the Flowmaster Pro FX resonator out to a 2.5 to a 4-inch exhaust tip. So I guess it's kind of straight piped, I guess. I don't know. I guess. But either way, I'm idling now and it's kind of quiet. Kind of quiet. Like I said, it's just a a little test here. That everything other than this will be really loud on the car. Like if I replace this and put another resonator, it will be loud. So if I replace this, I'd probably have to do something like a Borla. Damn you, Borla! Damn you! See, driving slow, look, driving like slowly, I can hear the aggressive tone, and it's not loud. What about 1500 RPMs? Yeah, see, there it is. It gets louder. 2000 RPMs. And you know what? It sounds flowy, more flowy. I don't know if that's even a word or how to describe it, but that's how it sounds. I'm supposed to have my GPS on, because sometimes I forget where the hell I'm going, because I haven't been here in so long. Fucking take me home, nigga. I don't fucking care. Sometimes I hate when this fucking thing does this. Like, I really do. I said home, and it's like, oh, how do you want to go home? I want to go home the way I said I want to go home. Nigga, home. Ah. Oh, right, that's right. I have music playing too. Dude. Okay, so this road, this is the road I can actually accelerate on, but unfortunately I'm behind.